Hello, Chuck in Tbilisi. Hi. So one of the things I've discovered in the past 5 months, let's see, I've been here since September, so 5 months, is what a wonderful walking city this is. I mean, it's just, at first it doesn't dawn on you, but then after you've been here for a while and you realize that you're losing weight, I've lost so much weight, because you're on the metro or you're on foot, and those two things, and I walk a lot. I carry a backpack to go grocery shopping, and it's just a beautiful city, and it's fun to walk around, and it's easy to walk around, and there's all these underpasses and tunnels and fun places to explore and cruise through on foot. And so anyway, this is one short walk that I do quite a bit. I do this quite a bit. It's up the hill, and sometimes I go all the way down to the mall at Galleria, and but I just wanted to show you this little short walk, and it's actually not that short, but I sped it up. It's like 4 times the normal speed, and I put some good music to it, and it's from my apartment over the bridge, up the hill, under the underpass, up the other side, under another underpass, back down the hill, back across the bridge, and back into my neighborhood. And it's pretty fast, and it's I just wanted to show you how fabulously wonderful of a walking city this is. It's so easy to walk. It's so much fun to walk. It's so interesting to look at. There are so many cool things about this city. So many cool things about this city. It's just, fun, and it's really easy to live here. Super easy to live here. That's the key, right? How easy is it to live in a place? And Tbilisi is super easy to live. Okay, so I will glue this to the front of this video and re-render it and send it off to you guys. Okay, thanks. Love you all. Oh, please like, share, subscribe, okay, to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye. Okay. Hello. It's cold out. I'm gonna go walk around, shoot some video. I have a mask. It's cold out. Okay, so just leave it on. Go shoot video. Bring batteries. Bring one spare battery. One spare battery. Okay. Okay. So I'm leaving my wonderful little apartment. Just go walk. Explore. Walk and explore. So the city blocks here are 250 meters long. I've measured them in Google Earth Pro. I will definitely speed up this footage and smooth it out. Hello. My grocer lady. And then 250 meters from here down to the metro.
tree. The last weekend of summer, the empire at our fingertips, the autumn to discover. If I would have had the worthiness to be the perfect lover, would you stay under the willow tree when I asked if you would be? Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Still I lie within a memory, devoted as your lover. You could take my hands and cover your eyes and tell me there's no other. Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Praying to find the right one when the time is right. Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine?
This is the bicycle monument, of course.